Hi guys, this is Kirti Tomar and we are discussing topic number 89. Before starting the topic, I want to tell you that I'll provide you 3 to 4 topics free of cost, which is regarding the industrial automation only. In today's lecture, we'll discuss about the HMI and PLC software installations, in which we have the first one that we call GT Designs 3 that we use for HMI. So, and the second one is GX Works 2 that is for PLC programming. So, in both of the softwares, we learn about the installation process, about the terms, commands that we use for the programming, and all the further process regarding that. But that will be a individual program that you'll have to ask me individually on the group that you need that video or that process, and I'll provide you in your DMs privately. And till then, please give your valuable feedback so that I can work on further content regarding the industrial automation and support me. Thank you.